Hey everyone. Um, I thought I would share my tears with you today, my genuine emotions, because I think that's what the mother principle of God is about. Feelings. As you know, I've been going very far down the rabbit hole of Zionism, and specifically the Jewish religion. Right? So not all Jews are religious. Jew can mean the culture or ethnicity and also the religion. I'm talking about the religion. And as you know, I spend a lot of time on here deconstructing fundamentalist Christianity because I grew up in that and I recovered from that trauma and had a genuine experience of the Most High. And a while back, I did a sermon called The Truth About Satan, Your Friend. And I was talking about the Jungian psychology of dark and light. How this religious idea of an outside devil and an outside God is an invented idea. There's no monster. You know, the devil is a concept of your own psychology, and you can look at that sermon if you're interested. But that was probably about a year ago, and a lot of people said to me on that sermon, well, then where does evil come from? And I know that we all talk about the elites, and we're like these globalist psychos. They do one thing after another to hurt us, and it doesn't make sense. You know, when I even share this story about the cabal and the elites with some of my friends, they're like, they can't comprehend it because they're like, I don't know. My friends that aren't, really aware of it, they're like, that doesn't make sense to me. That's not realistic. Who would do that? So, for a while, I've been going far down the rabbit hole of trying to understand who they are and why they would do this stuff. And the Jewish religion is, quite frankly, the most frightening religion I have ever looked into. There are problems in all forms of fundamentalism, but nothing quite tops the religion of Judaism. I'm not even making this up. This isn't even conspiracy. In black and white, in the Talmud, the Torah, the Zohar, and books by respected rabbis, they fully believe that Edom needs to be destroyed. We are Edom. Amalek. We are non-Jews. They fully believe, their texts explicitly say that they are the sparks of light, that this whole world and all of us would fall apart without them, that they are the righteous ones. It's an ultra-righteous doctrine. They fully perceive us as satanic, as evil. They are the sons of Jacob and we are the sons of Esau, and there's nothing that can redeem us. And the only way to sort the problem out is to exterminate us. I am not even making this up. This is in the scriptures explicitly, over and over and over again. Below, you can go and look at an excellent lecture by Adam Green, who's done so many years of research into the Zohar, Talmud, Torah, and all the writings of the rabbis. Right? So he's not even using texts from outside the religion of Judaism. He's using their own texts to show you what they actually fucking believe. And if you want to know who the globalist elites actually are, it's a religion called Judaism. And none of us have been allowed to you get deplatformed when you speak about this. Because do you know who owns all these platforms? Jewish Zionists, people steeped in the religion. There is no white supremacy, shocking. Christian supremacy, shocking. There is no doctrine that is more shocking in its supremacy than the religion of Judaism. There is no religion you will ever find that is more despicable in its supremacy doctrine than Judaism. You might think I'm just like, oh, I have some unfounded hate for Jews. No, I don't. I love Jews. And in fact, I would like to ask all my Jewish friends, when we sat across each other eating food together, are you just a cultural Jew? An ethnic Jew who has no idea about the religion? Or is this actually your fucking religion, bro?